You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these biblical names. For more pronunciations from the Bible, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. We have lots of places that are often confusing from the Bible here, so stay tuned. From Hebrew, the pronunciation is as Ephrathah. Ephrathah, the former name of Bethlehem, meaning fruitful. Fruitful is what it means. Ephrathah. Ephrathah. It's easy. And now you know Ephrathah. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.